This is Parachute Man.
It's Parachute Man.
The epic tail Parachute Man. And he's a big cheater. And he likes to drive or fly towards us and tease us and fly away.
Man, he was so close, Jamie.
And this is Jennifer being disappointed.
He was so he was right in my grasp. Parachute Man, you bastard. You.
Hold on.
Why?
And that's Jennifer not being able to act. Bye bye, Parachute Man. See you later. Chunk up the deuce.
Is he flying straight? Oh no.
Looks like he was coming back.
Oh, he's coming back. He's coming back. He's coming back. Oh my God.
Watch your kid, okay?
Oh my God. Forgot about her. Oh my God.
Epic tail part 2.
Oh. Jamie, he's landing. Jamie, he's landing. Jamie, he's landing. Jamie, he's landing.